Hi, folks, and welcome back. We made it to the second episode. We don't know if it was going to happen or not happen, but it finally did. People flew somewhere, people didn't fly somewhere, people are still in the same place where they were supposed to be, and somebody is still yawning. But yes, three of us are back at least for this episode. So, yes, let's get started with the agenda for today. As you know, this is Untitled Marketers. You have to also
Said
stick to.
I have to stop you. This is the only thing that we are supposed to do without an agenda. So this is. Uh, by the way, I want to call people out. 500 about 500 people watched the last thing that we did, which is amazing because that also says it tells us one thing that all that joblessness data is not wrong. And yes, thanks for watching the video till the end. And if you are again here, then yes, amazing to have you. And yes,
Rohit's bar was four people to watch the video.
four
So
people was
for
on the
next
higher side. Ek bar beach mein I also said two people. Uh, yeah, it's somewhere between two and four.
and now we've got to an order of magnitude, and like all other CEOs in the world, he has now said that because we went from 2 to 500, now we
Yeah,
should go from 500 to 1,000 viewers at least.
yeah.
Uh,
Okay, amazing to have us together. क्या बारे में किस बारे में बात कर? Of
if you
course.
if you do not recognize this picture, then first you need to watch some news. ठीक है, पहले तो वो आप कर लो, फिर उसके बाद यहाँ उसको देख.
By the way,
Uh,
that lady is now open for work on LinkedIn.
Open for work on LinkedIn badge is the second worst thing I have ever seen in my life after the Galgotia dog. By the way, guys, of course you now like you have not been living under a rock or still using GPT 3.5. Then you most probably know कि ये Indian AI Summit का summit point था where Galgotia University basically bought. I don't think imported or something. They just got on Alibaba and got the first robot fancy looking thing that they could get, and then ऊपर मेड इन चाइना का रैपर हटा के मेड इन इंडिया का रैपर लगा करके इनोवेशन. सो
Drop shipping at its finest.
दे बेसिकली कॉपीड दैट मॉडल. लेकिन अभी तो हमारे तरफ एक कहते हैं कि छीछा लेदर इज अ मोर हिंदी टर्म, राइट? आई लाइक
Yes.
आप लोगों की तरफ बोलते हैं कि नहीं छीछा लेदर?
हाँ, अच्छी चल.
हम.
Thank-
हाँ बोल.
I'm hearing it for the first time. What does it mean?
ओह, छीछा लेदर नहीं सुने हो? ओके. बट मैं छीछा लेदर इज स्टिल लाइक पार्लियामेंट्री लैंग्वेज. छीछा लेदर इज बेसिकली गंदगी मचा देना किसी चीज का. कि मतलब तुमने वो तिल का ताड़ तो बनाया, उस ताड़ का ताड़ी भी बना करके सुबह पी भी गए, मतलब इस लेवल पे. तो लोगों ने, मतलब मेरा एक दोस्त मुझे मैसेज करता है और मुझे एक्चुअली उसके बारे में आज तक नहीं पता था. उसने मुझे भेजा कि भाई बड़ा बड़ा स्ट्रेस हो रहा है. मतलब क्या हुआ बे? बोलता है अबे मार्च में अप्रेजल है और कहीं मेरा मैनेजर नहीं देख ले कि मेरा ग्रेजुएशन गलगोटिया से हुआ है.
अभी
अरे
तक इम्पैक्ट जो हुआ है, इतना बढ़िया
ओहो
इम्पैक्ट
हो,
है ना.
इतना गजब
Lead
इम्पैक्ट.
to joblessness or AI can impact appraisal like this in such a manner.
तो हेड ऑफ कॉम्स की.
Head of comms, you mean Lady Sambit Patra?
We will not make this political, but yes.
Yes, we will not make this political. हम
No,
हम
the
पॉलिटिक्स
way
में घुसना नहीं चाहते.
on
There
the
are three reasons. I'll tell you the three
point
reasons
of
why.
it,
I'll tell you three
हाँ.
reasons why.
she said that she never claimed that these things were made by Galgotias. That claim was never made by her. I think she's looking for a job, but political parties should approach her.
This I don't understand this. अगर तुम बताओ, अगर मैं अपनी वाइफ के साथ तुम्हारे घर में एक बच्चा गोद में लेके आऊं, ठीक है, और मैं उसको दिन भर अपने पास रखूं, तो तुम यही मानोगे ना कि वो मेरा बच्चा है? कि तुम डीएनए टेस्ट करवा करके फिर बोलोगे अरे ये तो रोहित का बच्चा है?
और फिर
That
and to justify रोहित will be like, मैं तो
that
नहीं बताया था मेरा बच्चा है.
it was said categorically that it was developed at Galgotia University's entrepreneurship and AI cell.
हाँ,
भाई मैं
develop
गलगोटिया
मतलब कि यार
गलगोटिया के
business
बच्चों से
model.
मिला हूं मैं.
अरे business
वहां
model.
बच्चे डेवलप नहीं हो रहे भाई ढंग से, ठीक है. रोबोट की तो बात, मेरा अपना कजिन है वहां से पढ़ा हुआ.
भाई वो पूरा बिजनेस मॉडल डेवलप किया ना भाई कि वो इंपोर्ट कहाँ से आएगा, कौन से पोर्ट में आएगा, कौन से कस्टम ऑफिसर के पास आएगा, वो गलगोटिया यूनिवर्सिटी कैसे पहुंचेगा, फिर वो वहाँ से एआई का सबमिट कैसे जाएगा। दैट्स अ फुल डेवलपमेंट प्रोसीजर भाई। मतलब कि जस्ट डोंट थिंक टेक, थिंक
नहीं
बिजनेस।
देखो, ऑनेस्टली ये टप में जो एक चीज अगर ये कर लेते तो प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व हो जाती। वो बीच में जब ग्रेटर नोएडा से ग्रेटर नोएडा जा रहे थे, बीच में रुक के इनको किसी साइबर कैफे में इसका आधार कार्ड बनवा लेना भाई। मैं 5 लोगों को जाता हूँ नोएडा में जो बना देते इसका, ठीक है, लेकिन वहीं पे दिक्कत हो गई। बोले वो आते हैं, बोले ये लो दोगेश भाई।
This is the new Dogesh. This is the new Dogesh.
बट या
मतलब
तो आई
मतलब
थिंक
कितना कितना बढ़िया, लाइक पीक ऑफ द पीक मोमेंट ऑफ एआई सबमिट है।
अरे नहीं नहीं, हाँ हाँ, मतलब आई वुड से सो, क्योंकि वो जो बाकी जो था वो दैट वाज पॉलिटिकल एंड स्टफ, सो वो अपनी
वो
जगह
जो
पे।
जो यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट, जो वो मिड एज लोग।
हाँ, आई मीन खैर, नॉट नॉट गोइंग इन दैट डायरेक्शन, बट ये वाला तो था, मतलब ये ना दो। और देखो कितनी फ्री पीआर मिली पूरे चाइना को। अब पता है कि इंडिया में एक एआई समिट हो रहा था, उसमें क्या हुआ क्या नहीं हुआ वो सब बात की बात है। वो अगले 5 साल तक वो याद रखेंगे कि हाँ कुछ तो एआई समिट हुआ था। गलगोटिया इंटरनेशनल हो गया भाई, अब कुछ नहीं कर सकते। बट वो मेरे दोस्त को मैंने बोला, मैंने गलगोटिया को बिठा कर एक आध कोर्स कर ले तो ग्रोथ स्कूल वगैरह से, एंड उसके ऊपर डाल दे
वैसे दिस इज
भाई।
गुड
बहुत
बिजनेस अपॉर्चुनिटी, गुड बिजनेस अपॉर्चुनिटी। कोई आके अगर बोल दे कन्वर्ट योर गलगोटिया यूनिवर्सिटी बाय डूइंग 1 year ऑफ माय कोर्स, पे 99।
अरे उसमें मैं प्रोसेस बताता हूँ, उसमें कुछ नहीं करना होता है। आपको नाम चेंज करा करके 2 गजट में पब्लिश करा करके 2 दिन आपको टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया में ऐड देना होता है, और आपको बोलना होता है कि मैं गलगोटिया में नहीं पढ़ा हूँ। Anyways, enough of Galgotia. But how do you think was India's AI summit? Did you guys? I'm sure I know that you guys did not attend. That anybody you know attended. What's their on ground feedback on this?
वन ऑफ द पीपल आई नो अटेंडेड। उसका तो वो पहले दिन वो चोरी हो गया था, वो ही इज डेवलपिंग सम वो
वो तो बहुत फेमस हो।
हाँ, वो चोरी भी हो गया था, उसको वापस भी मिल गया। लोग उठा के ले गए थे बिकॉज दे थॉट दे वर यूएसबीज, और वो लोग घर में यूज करेंगे। घर में जाकर उन्होंने कंप्यूटर में डाला तो वो लगा ही नहीं, तो वो वापस ले आए।
वो वापस ले आए, तुम समझ रहे हो?
हाँ।
मतलब कंट्री प्रोग्रेस कर रही है, ऐसा नहीं है। बट वो बेचारा पहले दिन वायरल शांति हुआ था कि ये कुत्ता
Talking about
हम
Neo
आपके हैं कौन का टफी निकला।
You're talking about Neo Sapiens, right?
यस।
Hmm.
But good for them that they got this stuff back. Faith in humanity, or at least tech ecosystem.
थोड़ा तो बचा रहा है। थोड़ा
Fingers
तो
crossed.
अभी भी saved है। But overall, I think it was a good summit. I think a lot of people went, a lot of people had, I mean, especially young AI founders and people who are starting in AI. उन्होंने तो काफ़ी सही फीडबैक दिया कि पहले दिन तो सबको ही लगा था, क्योंकि obviously it was the PM का entrance was there and dignitaries were there, तो सबको blockage था. Nobody was able to enter the main hall. But I think second day onwards, everything was, they had a lot of fun. They met a lot of people from different countries, and there was a lot of decent feedback आया था। ऐसा नहीं कि
Okay.
ज़्यादा, but हाँ, I mean, everybody was talking about Dogesh ji. There was nothing.
अगले
After
साल
speaking,
से
there was nothing.
okay.
I think into
Shafiq, anything to add?
some of the sorry.
नहीं कुछ बोल रहा था।
No, I think it came into light for some of the wrong reasons. One of them being the Galgotias and the Neo Sapiens product getting stolen from that booth there. And I think after the summit, Sam had given a statement that he was not sure what he was supposed to do at the when he was at on the stage. And then there was this awkward moment between Sam and Dario that they did not hold hands together because of the history between them. So there were these things that basically took over the limelight from what it should have been, which is the showcase of AI development and product innovation happening from India.
Yeah, these that
Why
stand
did
of
why did why did they not
ये
hold hands though?
Because
WWF में याद नहीं है बचपन में वो रॉक स्टीव कोल्ड ऑस्टिन को ऐसे तो वही मतलब कि नाउ इमेजिन
again, Matt,
WWF उस समय में मस्कुलर
मुझे लगा कि सैम ऑल्टमैन का मॉडल वहां तक कैचअप नहीं कर रहा है, इसलिए
नहीं 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 अरे
वो गैप रह जा रहा है उसका।
it is Sam.
ओके ओके
Okay, what's next on what's the next meaningless item that we need to discuss?
back it is Sam Altman basically I mean, we'll give
Read it out.
we
Read
should
it out for us.
नहीं we'll give people 5 seconds यार बच्चे थोड़ी ना जो पढ़ के सुनाना है ललित थोड़ी ना सुना
अरे
रहे हैं
नहीं नहीं मतलब a lot of people might not be watching on video ना, इधर उधर घूमते रहते
अच्छा
हैं.
people talk about how much energy it takes to train an AI model but it also takes a lot of energy to train a human. It takes like 20 years of life and all of the food you eat during that time before you get smart. अब ये मुझे समझ में नहीं आता है. I just think OpenAI should hire that Galgotia PR वाली person. Like
अरे
they're
match
perfectly
made in
meant for
heaven,
each
man.
other.
In heaven. Like I tell you, that's a brilliant idea.
What is wrong with this?
Like इस
He's
अरे
right. What
एटलीस्ट
is
सैम
wrong with
ऑल्टमैन तो
this?
बच जाएगा कि ये सब स्टेटमेंट सैम ऑल्टमैन नहीं बोल रहा है, वो टेक्नोलॉजी डेवलप कर रहा है, बेचारा बंदा बैठा हुआ है, ये कोई आके बोले जा रहा है बेफालतू से पीछे.
अरे so
Hmm?
no, there is fun. Like essentially, if you are training an AI model, which essentially like if you are doing a next gen model, then you need to have like it has to be efficient than the earlier thing. Like अगर वो same ही problem चल रहा है, same ही एनर्जी सेम ही प्रोडक्टिविटी दे रहा है, तो फिर मतलब क्या है? तो फिर दुनिया वैसे ही चलने दो ना.
Point. The
वाई यू आर
point
टेकिंग
of
लाइक.
AI is not to compare it to
हाँ
human कि भाई बैटरी नहीं है हम लोग ये
हाँ
DSL की
मतलब
बैटरी नहीं है.
ये इंसानी डूड यू टेक्नोलॉजी एग्जिस्ट टू सर्व ह्यूमैनिटी. इट
Not
लाइक
the other way around.
तो ये कोई मतलब ये इस बात का कोई सेंस थोड़ा.
वो मैट्रिक्स का सीन याद है जहाँ पे वो दिखाते हैं कि ह्यूमंस आर पुट इनटू पॉड्स टू एक्सट्रैक्ट एनर्जी so that the machines can live on Earth.
I was listening to I think I shared with you guys as well कि OpenAI के financials वगैरह के उस पे बना रहे थे वो कि यार they're not going in the right direction. ये ads पे it was an analysis overall. But the point is कि Sam Altman, I think recently in a press conference they asked like when will OpenAI make revenue or something like that. So the response that he gave is कि
Monetization.
my idea is to build an AI smart enough. We have not thought about monetization, but we want to build an AGI or an AI smart enough that can figure out its own monetization path because it will be because it as smart to basically figure out the hardest question in the world, and essentially monetizing the AI is one of the hardest thing in the world. तो मैंने बोला भाई ये ऐसे ही ट्रिलियंस ऑफ डॉलर नहीं, तुम समझ रहे हो कहानी. एक तो ये नहीं समझ में आया कि अगर तुम्हें प्रॉफिट बनाना ही तो तुम्हें ये कंपनी को फॉर प्रॉफिट में बदलने की जरूरत क्या थी. और फॉर प्रॉफिट में बदलने के बाद अगर लोग तुमसे पूछ रहे हैं कि प्रॉफिट कब बनाओगे तो तुम बोल रहे हो कि तुम गलत सवाल पूछ रहे हो. सो इट इज ऑल लाइक इन अ वेरी वियर्ड लाइक फ्लक्स ऑफ थिंग्स जहां पे कोई क्लैरिटी नहीं है, कुछ नहीं है. एंड honestly I would have, and like शुरू से AI में कोई clarity नहीं, like it's a huge unknown to be figured out, and I give it to them to even trying, right? I'm sure में से like it would take us like 5 lifetimes to get there. I'm not nothing in comparison. जो चीज है कि if you are the only guy figuring this out and you wanted the world's resource to do it because you need to save humanity वगैरह वगैरह वगैरह, I am okay with that. Dude, there's literally like three other companies who are doing it at a lower cost than you and are doing a better job than you. That is my gripe with OpenAI, honestly. कि क्या कर रहे हो तुम लोग? Like, what is that you're solving so amazing that we are too innate to understand, or too innate बोल रहा हूँ, so too dumb to understand.
Too primitive.
Yeah, too primitive.
वो याद है वो all this gives me the vibes of WeWork. वो
हाँ
WeWork पे जब भी उससे क्वेश्चन पूछता ना where will it be profitable? WeWork is a community. WeWork is a motion. WeWork is a lifestyle. कुछ भी बोल दो बस
वो
WeWork
सिलिकन
का business model.
सिलिकन वैली का वो एपिसोड याद है when the guy is training him to pitch to investors and he's like business model, this is when we'll realize profitability, this is our revenue. He's like तुम्हारा valuation it's now down by 10x. How can you talk about profitability?
No, I
That was a
think
satire,
what
brilliant
I
satire,
think
but
from a
वही उसी टाइप का हो रहा है.
perspective, what Sam was basically in a position that he
Sam
has
खैर शफीक,
to sort
I
of
thought that you
defend
had a
the kind of
counterpoint or
investment
something.
that is going in. And from an ecological perspective, there are questions being raised because the energy consumption is too high. The water required to cool down the chips and servers that it takes to run these kind of huge models and stuff. So I think he's just dumbing it down to people that if you want such kind of productivity that are promised by AI in the future, it's basically countering the narrative and that even for a human being to come to that level is artificial general intelligence that they talk about, right? If it happens in the next few years, he's basically making the case why that investment is necessary. And given, like, if you put yourself in that position, you will understand why he has to go and talk like this and use such kind of analogy that from a distance probably do not make much sense.
I see, I understand. I also agree that I don't even imagine myself to be in that situation anytime soon. But I can understand his situation and the way that he's going through. The only thing is, there are now a lot more evidence in the world that says that there may be more economical ways to do this. And also, the other part is, there are people who are actually beating you at this game in all the different things that you have tried over the time. So there's no proof of success till now. There's like, you cannot bank on OpenAI for one thing that it does amazingly better than everything else. So there's no proof of success and there is no proof of efficiency. So you are taking the most money and you are giving the most subpar result, and that is where I think, not just me, like this is my second hand opinion. I have no direct line of access and nothing. I have just like, that is mostly what the tech influencers, publishers, thinkers are making that opinion about.
Yeah, Mali, I think that he's just trying because energy resource. He's asked for a large energy resource from the government of US. So the entire thing is, people are questioning whether the tax dollars are justified in setting up a sort of energy center, with the US government and everything. And he's just trying to deflect that question and make it more of a, compare कि देखो हम लोग तो इतनी मेहनत कर रहे हैं. He's taking the morally high ground. He takes time, it does this, it does that. And I think it's a very stupid argument, to be very honest. He could have just been like, हाँ यार, the energy लगती तो लगती है, अब क्या करें? We'll figure out a way. वो बोलने की जगह
I,
ये सब बोलना.
I'll just recommend the people, whoever listens to this, is the recent video by Cold Fusion is what I recommended to you guys as well. I know it's one sided, it seems biased, but there are a lot of facts, and that narrative is very well built. So, obviously, like, find counter biases to form a well rounded opinion, but that's a good one on this topic, on the anti side of OpenAI, on why they are not able to make the money or be the company that they are supposed to
Okay.
be. Yeah, this was fun.
So for people who don't know, there was an OpenClaw agent that wrote a code which the developer, the one who was sort of employing or who had given OpenClaw his Mac Mini or whatever, was refusing to accept that. So that agent attacked its developer online and running a hit campaign against it. Rohit.
No, I did not do that hit campaign. But yeah, it's funny, right? What do you imagine? Like, essentially, what happened is, you gave your OpenClaw to do stuff, then it did it. Like, I'm oversimplifying for my own understanding, right? Okay, you gave all the access, and then you gave it some task, and then it came back, asked for either feedback or approval, and so on. Then you did not give it back. It's like, nice. Either you have security concern or you have quality concerns. Jo bhi hai, you did not give that feedback. You did not give that approval, and then the robot is basically pissed, and then he goes on different forums and, like, sorry to use that word, but I don't even want to use that word, but talks like wrong about you and like post negative comments and so on, right? That is what essentially has happened. I have one question, and this is like not on the, like, we can take it as a joke, morph it that, but my question is the AI just understanding from human behavior and we are that pathetic, or the AI is essentially getting that emotional side of things and developing those? What is your guess? Like, what's really happening?
Since it is trained on the entirety of human knowledge that was available on the internet for it to be trained on, I think it is merely a reflection of how human beings are.
And you would say, like, human beings do this, right? We talk ill about our employers who didn't treat us right or didn't treat us as per our expectation. We go out on Twitter, form anonymous accounts. When we say we, I'm talking about us as well. It's basically go on Glassdoor and do stuff and all of that. So I think that's very human like. So I think, did you guys come across that theory? I was lurking on Reddit where I found that theory very interesting. Is the internet is essentially only 10% human now.
Yes.
It's named something. I'm forgetting the term, but it's a very famous theory that is going on.
Uh,
90% of the internet now is just bots interacting with bots and making conversations and hyping things up and stuff like that.
I think AI agents are heavily trained on 4chan, Reddit, and all these kind of forums because
Oh.
that's where their founders were before like hanging out. It is not trained on the sort of like places where normal humans interact.
So, do you think the internet will only get more toxic because that's what the AI
Oh,
agents have
internet
been
is already
trained
toxic,
on?
yeah.
No.
Internet
I'm
was
I'm not
toxic
saying it
before
is
the bots
not.
came.
I'm not saying
Like
it
before
is
the
not.
bots came, cancel thoड़ी ना bots ने निकाला.
Exactly. So that is exactly my point. That since we were already very toxic on the internet before the bots came, would bots learn from it and understand, okay,
हाँ.
these are the points I need to press, and it will become extremely partition, racist, toxic, everything that is wrong with the human behavior on the internet, and it will just take it and magnify it.
Oh, absolutely, 100%. मतलब कि I think the thing that will happen is people will people will start to see a lot more online trolling, lot more hit jobs, lot more sort of like people now will be scared to even give their child a mobile phone with access to internet. You will actually get a safe internet sort of a play. I mean, you will start to see safe internet startups coming out where they will actively curate what is good for humans versus not good for humans. Dark web will become basically bigger and bigger.
Dark web will be the web essentially.
Dark web will be the web. The online web will be protected. So instead of the dark web being protected, the online web will be protected.
We'll carve out a residential society in the Sarjapur road.
Gated community
That's
like
that's
Gurgaon,
what is happening. Shafiq,
and
what's
you'll have to pay rent to you'll have to pay money to access those places.
yes, we essentially have VPNs right now, which is like the society gate. That's it. Like society gate and some of fencing. We'll just build more amenities and maybe we'll have a prestige VPN very soon. Prestige or
I'm
Lodha
just
VPN,
waiting for the time when
Godrej
AI
VPN.
morphs itself
Good.
into the next door auntie. You know, that will be that will trump everything.
I agree. How would a clawbot next door auntie behave?
शादी नहीं करी तुमने अभी तक बच्चे को एक ही बच्चा क्यों है
It's like I have gone through
Imagine
your
तुम Clawbot को इंस्टॉल करो इंस्टॉल्ड हो गया एंड यू गिव इट योर डिटेल्स कि हाय आई एम दिस इज आई एम 26 ईयर ओल्ड आई वर्क आउट ऑफ योर सबसे पहला क्वेश्चन शादी नहीं करी अभी तक और इधर यू से एंड देन यू लाइक नहीं कर ली शादी
by I would like to mimic my clawbot on Seema Auntie from
Netflix.
that
मैच मेकिंग
Netflix
वाली
show, right?
वो मैच
It's
मेकिंग
like
वाली
I will tell my clawbot to do a project with 5 parameters. It's like तीन कर सकती हूँ, adjust तो करना पड़ेगा. But I will see, none of us can really control, and we'll live to see a day very soon where we'll see that humans are the second most toxic things on internet, and the bot learning from us and trumping us soon. And I have used the word trumping there very intentionally. So
imagine Trump be I mean a bot being trained only on Trump
I will tell you, it was, dude, a bot being trained on Trump is Trump. There's literally 12 words in his vocabulary. You don't even need a bot. You just need an if else loop that can just run. Okay. But I'll tell you, go watch this clip on YouTube, of course, which is Michael from The Office explaining New York to the audience. Okay. You watch this, and midway you'll realize, oh shit, Trump is nothing but Michael as president. That realization will hit you hard.
so for those of you who haven't watched it it's a very hilarious clip
People are aware of The Office. Yeah, but yes, good to brief them. Sorry. Yeah.
okay uh,
What's next?
Okay, coming on to a little serious part. And also, this is also funny to a certain extent because I like it. So, I'm not going to read out the whole wall of text.
Yeah,
For
yeah. You give us a
everyone on listening, please just look into the screen for 10 seconds. Just 10
TLDR
seconds.
दे दो.
TLDR.
TLDR,
So,
you are a
this is
Gemini,
a
said.
counter against some.
Rohit is just prompting you verbally. TLDR.
This is Sid
I'm
Bot.
Scorpion, by the way.
This is Sid Bot.
Great question. Let me summarize it in 60 words or less.
Is this
For giving this load.
good
Thank you
thought
for giving
process?
this work to me.
Let me drink 5 liters of water and come back.
It took you 20 years to become this smart. Now it is taking me 2 minutes to do your job.
Dude, अरे यार, I cannot shed ये खैर you go ahead, give us a summary please.
So this is a counter take on a very short counter take on the article "Something Big Is Happening" and how people have just
Are
blamed
we
it on.
still talking about it?
I don't know. People are not talking about it anymore on Twitter, but I just love counter takes and I love
Okay.
sarcastic counter takes. So
I love counter takes because I pay the money, I take my pastry off the counter. Anyways,
so so this is the kind of jokes we talk we generally share. So everyone.
आगे
So this is the counter take on the "Something Big Is Happening."
Hmm.
They say that people typically look at SaaS is dead and they think that, oh, I've heard about 3-4 podcasts and they are like, oh, end of white collar worker, and they're like, you've gone to you've read the or you've heard the Satya's podcast and whatever. And the thing is, people, I mean, it's just saying that you are the you are seeing recession for the first time in your life. This is equivalent to what happened in 2020, in 2018, 2019, where VC kids who had just passed out of college from some economics, and they were like, "This is the worst market we've ever seen in our lives." Like, obviously, this is the first time you're seeing a market like how this is the worst. Like, so it's a just counter take on that.
Got it. So
It's
essentially, what he's saying is this is a part of the process. We have this every 20 years, and most probably when we have it again, you'll be more wise to understand it. Something like that.
but it just says that you will anyway end up building a SaaS.
Sid,
Can't hear you, Shafiq. Sorry. Can you repeat, Shafiq? वो बीच में I think we missed you.
अब शफीक तो like motion
He's figuring it out. He has more tech challenges than the both of us
something big is happening.
in the background.
Yeah, I mean, good counter take, good. I mean, and it is the SaaS is dead is I think is greatly exaggerated. Like you had that famous saying, the news, the SaaS comes up and says the news of my demise has been greatly exaggerated.
I think, by the way, like good time. I obviously could not read the entire article because it was New Yorker and hello.
Huh. You are not adequate. I mean, your voice is coming, but your video is stuck. Now Shafiq is back. Shafiq, you were saying something. Shafiq, see, this is what AI agents cannot solve for. I literally have no one on this time. Two people, SaaS marketers, who've been doing podcasts their entire lives. Like they cannot figure out Riverside.fm. क्या चल रहा है ये? I am alone on this. So, anyways, but this is a fun time because you are going to see a lot of takes and counter takes on this topic that SaaS is dead, SaaS is not dead. And yes, like Rohit said before, make sure you hear all the biases and the counter biases. What you'll see is that SaaS is just probably a way of delivering a technology. You think you're going back to on-prem again? I don't think so. But a lot of people talking about SaaS is dead are typically people who want to get more and more views on Twitter and LinkedIn. So yeah, and we'll wait for these two gentlemen to come back. I don't know where these two gentlemen went off to. Rohit Srivastav still looks as if he's here in this conversation, but he's not here. Oh, I see Shaf is back.
yeah, I'm here now.
Yeah. Yes, you were saying something.
No, so I think we covered something similar last week, and I just wanted to
Yes.
sort of come back to the same point wherein actually, what is the reason for covering this? Like, what is unique about
What is the
this?
reason for covering? There's no reason. This is just a good satire take. There is no reason.
Acha.
But yeah, I mean, it is just telling. I mean, at the end of the day, it is just telling that the death of SaaS is greatly exaggerated. That's all.
Hmm.
Apart from that, nothing else. Yeah. By the way, like I said, I was on this here. Okay, the guys are back.
Rohit, are you there?
I think Riverside FM also deployed some AI code agents who are deleting their code one by one. I don't think so. Shafiq heard me. You
Doing
choose to ignore me. You choose to ignore me.
I hope all of this is getting recorded, Sid.
Yes, he. AWS was down for 13 hours because the AI agent thought it is better to delete the code. Now, if Riverside FM is also doing that, they have also deployed some AI agent. 79% uploaded. But what is happening to Rohit? Okay, while we wait, what is happening to Rohit? We'll move away from the screen, obviously. We will now come to this video.
No, there is
For folks,
another thing that you missed in the past. Can you go back one slide?
oh, I did. Let me check. No, I did not.
Can you refresh?
No, I did not.
Can you refresh?
1 second.
Rohit, are you there?
Okay.
You see it?
Yes, I am just sharing my screen again.
I hope all of this is getting recorded. So, in absence of Rohit, I think Rohit is trying to join back. But let me read it out. I just saw this like last night while I was scrolling through Reddit. So there is this account with the name Chief API Officer, and he says that I built a SaaS to escape my 9 to 5. Now I work 20. I was tired of my life. I hated my job with a passion, so I decided to go all in on this SaaS with the end goal being to work less. For fast forward 3 years, I work 16 hours days, eat McDonald's at 3 a.m. I don't have time to cook and still haven't made $1. Really think carefully about your actions. You might just end up like me. If you want to take a look at my stats to see what took me so long, you can see it in my bio. So it's basically the guy using pity to generate demand and generate some kind of attention to the software that they've been working on. And there was one other comment that was heavily voted. It's not heavily voted, but about 25 votes on Reddit. It's quoted something from their own instructor in the past. Working for yourself is great. You only have to work half days, and you even get to choose which 12 hours you want to work. And this person basically agrees about it, right? So all of these wonder stories that you hear on the internet, that I built this, I vibe coded this SaaS platform, this after just vibe coding it, I got like hundreds of users in a 30-day timeline, and now I'm making as much as I was making in my job, right? All of those stories, there are stories like this wherein people are not being able to make any meaningful money, and they sort of keep on investing their time and effort and energy into a project that does not yield the expected results as such.
For every success, there are 1,000 failures.
Yeah.
People just tend to वो कौन सा उसको कहते हैं people when they only look at the success stories and do not look at the failure stories.
Survivor.
They
सर्वाइवर बायस.
आ गया इंटरनेट
Survivor.
अरे इंटरनेट प्रॉब्लम नहीं है यार, ये रिवर साइड प्रॉब्लम है.
Yeah.
क्या
I was also
रिवर
thrown
साइड
out,
प्रॉब्लम
like,
वो शाफ्ट जैसे ही.
I am telling you, Riverside is also using AI agents like AWS. वो भी
भाई
कोई
दिस
ना
इज
कोई
सपोज्ड टू बी द बेस्ट रिकॉर्डिंग सॉफ्टवेयर व्हेन इट कम्स टू पॉडकास्ट एंड स्टफ. पता नहीं,
And
फिंगर्स
when you give
क्रॉस्ड.
it to AI agents and they go rogue, वो डांट दिया होगा उसने.
You guys read that ये article जहाँ पे
What?
the AI agents that they deployed in Amazon
हाँ.
actually went through the old code base, deleted the
Yeah,
entire
वही
thing and
वही
rewrote.
yeah,
मैंने
I chose not to respond to it because I was editing this slide.
so
जलो मत बराबरी करो सिड. आज क्या हो गया, 3 बार मैं इसको शिट बोल चुका.
Are you constipated?
नहीं यार, आई एम इन कोलकाता, तो वो ना वो चढ़ते जा रहा है ना इनको. These guys don't say sa ना, they say sha.
sure this is sure.
तो वही हो गया वो शीट, उसी कारण से कल से इतना बंगाली खाना खा लिया है कि it's now coming out in multiple ways. I would not go into more details
No,
than that.
वो ये TMI gets coming out in multiple ways.
Okay, sorry, I think I missed bits of it, but I thought I
Yeah, we
You
can
missed-
move
you
on to the
missed
last
bites of
one,
it.
Sid.
yeah.
You miss bites of it. कैसा joke मारा, कोई respond नहीं किया.
समझ रहा हूँ मैं. समझा, इसीलिए
Okay.
रिस्पॉन्स नहीं आ रहा है. क्या मतलब, is this supposed to be a sound?
It should. I can't hear anything.
Yeah.
How do
Sid,
I
you
put
got to
sound now?
you got to learn screen sharing again.
Okay, anyways, I think it's only fitting that we end up abruptly and not wait for a closure.
See you next time, folks.
So, ठीक है.
See you next week. Hopefully,
Bye.
Riverside is not destroyed.